We've got the West. You've listened to a daily alake. I won't go much on the economic dynamism that we are facing. But the hope is here. From this moment on, you will have no regrets. I could see hard work coming from A.A. Sule, determined to use the resources available to him for the benefit, stability, and prosperity of Nasarawa State. Sule is doing well because Ebola Tinubu is doing well too. Those who have triggered the alley politics and the partition of coalition, suddenly, just don't pay them any attention. They are the political IDPs. Don't give them a home. The hope is here. Sule is doing well. We will support whatever a Governor Sule brings about to work harder for the prosperity and renaissance of Nasarawa State. That's what we stand for.